If you are over the age of 16, the American Red Cross is urgently needing you to donate blood. You also have to be more than 110 pounds. Now, the American Red Cross is facing a nationwide shortage of blood.
ABC 6 News reporter Hannah Tran says the situation is not quite as dire at Mayo Clinic, but experts there are seeing a similar prolonged trend.
I'm just giving it a couple good squeezes.
This is Andrew Nelson's 5th time donating blood at Mayo Clinic's Hilton building.
3 or 4 times a year. I think you can come in every 3 months. So.
But Nelson's enthusiasm for a prod in the arm for a pint of blood is more difficult to come across nowadays, especially in the summer when many are traveling around.
One of the other reasons which is happening is we are seeing a shift in the donor population.
In other words, Dr. Manish Gandhi says the frequent donor population is getting old, and there's not enough young folks around lately who are willing to pull up their sleeves.
It's the sickest of sick patients who would need blood, and so basically when you donate blood, you are essentially saving lives.
Coming in for one donation could potentially help 3 people. Experts encourage donors to come in twice a year, which could save 6 lives annually.
I think that is an ideal donor, and that's a donor pool which we want to strive towards.
The American Red Cross issued an urgent call for donors. They say donations are down 8% since May, which could lead to emergency situations in certain areas.
A study which was done 2 or 3 years ago shows that only 3% of the eligible population is donating blood.
Off and running sounds good.
Nelson is among that small percentage.
Anytime I have the opportunity every 3 months to come on in, definitely look forward to doing it.
He may just be a sliver of needed blood, but it's a slight surrender of his time that could make a difference of a lifetime or several. In Rochester, Hannah Tran, ABC 6 News.